Probability chapter 13.4 exercise, problem number 17. It's an option type question. You have to find out the answer and then tally with the given answer. You have to see which of them is. I have not written it here. So suppose two cards are drawn at random from a deck of cards. Let X be the number of A's obtained. Yes, A card. Then the value of Ex is, we have to find out the value of Ex. Expectation or mean it's also called. Sometimes it's called Ex, sometimes it's called expectation X or mean X. This is what we have to find out. Okay. So how many cards are there in a deck? 52 cards are there. In 52, 4 will be yes. So see, two cards are drawn. At a time we have to draw two cards. See, we may get no A card at all, that is 0 A card. We may get 1 A card. What is the probability of getting 1 A card? What is the probability of getting 0 A card? Or what is the probability of getting 2 A card? Because we are drawing two cards only. Therefore, X will take the values, this X will take the values 0, 1 and 2. Because two cards are being drawn. You may get no A card at all, you may get 1 A card, or you may get 2 A cards. So in each case you have to find out the probability of getting 0 A card, that is no A card, probability of getting 1 A card, probability of getting 2 A cards. Okay, now here probability of getting 0 A card, 0 A, look here, we have 4 A cards. So number of A's are combination of 4 things taking nothing at a time. See, without taking A card at all. So 4C0 is 1. That's why we written 1. You can calculate using the formula. And out of 48 cards, look here, 4 plus 42, how much? 52. They have separated 4 A cards and 48 cards which do not contain A, non-A cards. So combination of 48 taking 2 at a time. In number of ways in which 2 cards can be picked up from 48 cards. That is 48 C2. That I have calculated as 1128. Okay. And 52 C4 C2, that also we have calculated. You can use the formula and calculate. That comes to 1326. Okay. Now in the second, look here, we have to get one card means we have to see number of ways of picking one card, 1 A card from a group of A cards. And this is a group of non-A cards. And we have to get 1 A card here and we have to get one non-A card here. Together they make 2. So 2 cards. One A card, another one non-A card, the card which is not A. 4C1, how many ways? 4 only. And 48C2, 48 cards can be chosen in taking one at a time in 48 ways only. That can be calculated using a formula. It's a simple thing. Without using a formula, we can say out of 48 cards, taking one at a time in how many ways that can be taken? In 48 ways. So 4 into 48 we have to write here. And now here in the last case, we have to get 2 A cards. From a group of 4 A cards, the number of ways of picking 2 A cards from this group, that is 4C2 into, look here, from 48 cards we must not get any non-A card at all because 2 cards we have got here alone. So we cannot pick up any card from the non-A group of cards. 48C2, 48C0, that is 1. So this comes to 6. And now if you calculate here 1 into this one, 48 into 4 into 48, this one. So why did we get 2 here? Because we have calculated 2 2s are, and we have divided this by 2 and we get this 663. The same thing we have done here, divided by 2, we get 663 here. Okay. So denominators are 663, 663, 663. See? Now we have further simplified it. Divided by 3. Yeah. We divide by 3, we get 331, 331, 331. Now using the formula Ex is equal to sigma xi pi. I varying from 0 to 2, that is 0, 1, 2. xi is 0 here. Xi is 0. So corresponding probability this one I have written here. Xi is 1, corresponding probability this one I have written. And xi 2, corresponding probability I have written here. So in all these we have got the same denominator 331, and here see this into 0, this cancels out, only these two are considered. Look here, these two are considered. So what has happened here? 24 by 331, 2 by 231, or 24 plus 2 is 26 by 331. This is the Ex, the value of Ex. Okay. And using the formula 48C2 we can find out this way, and other formula 4C1 we can find out 52C2 we can find out using this formula, and here 4C2 here it is. So all these things we calculated using the formula, and finally we come to know that the value of Ex is 26 by 331. So I hope you have followed the problem. Thank you.